Today I'm going to show you how to create slow motion effects in CapCut. Let us create some slow motion. So if you would like to try out some of the media that is within CapCut, you can come down over here to Media, Library, and have a look through here, and you'll see a bunch of different things. Now, for something that is slow motion, you will need a fast moving video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a video that is a little bit faster moving than, well, let's say most. So let us go ahead. We're going to use this one over here. There's this bird coming up and flying in over here. Okay, we're going to use this one. Now, once you click on your clip here in the timeline, go up to the top, go to speed, and there are a few options. We've just got standard, so you're going to just drop the speed over here. Let's say you wanted half the speed. Let's say you want to change the duration, so let's do that. Okay, so now we've got that bird coming in. Great. We can also go and click on smooth slow motion. So once you've done that, we have two options. We have the frame blending, so it overlaps your frames, and this is faster. Then we've got optical flow, which is better quality. It just literally is just better quality. Okay, so you can choose whichever one you think is best. Now, while that's processing, you can go to curve. Now, there are some preset curves, and then you can also make your own curve. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go back here. Okay, this is almost finished processing. You can see that this is slightly better. Let's just go and put this back at 1, and let's go to the curve, and here you can see that this is a montage, so you can see that. Let's just make this bigger. Here are all your points. Okay, so if you see, that's what it looks like. That's pretty cool. We can also use this one. Okay. We can do this one. Okay. You can do a jump cut. All right, and then you can customize it yourself. So let's say you want this one to come down like really, really slow. Okay, let's go. We're going to drop it all the way down like that. Okay, we're going to pull it down. Where are we doing it to? Let's do it until there. And then it's just going to go back to like kind of normal speed. Okay. All right, that's what it looks like now. So check this. So nice and slow, and then it speeds up again. Back to normal speed. So there we go. And then we have the velocity effects, right? So let's say you want to apply one of these effects over here. This is literally just makes you like, well, if you apply this one, you'll remove the slow-mo, but let's go ahead and you're going to add music, and you're going to add that on there. If you hold your cursor over any one of these, you'll see what it actually looks like, but ultimately you'll have this effect of movement and flashing lights with your music. There we go.